To the arts now, and someone you might recognise as the guy who does that dance in Siona's wedding. He's also played roles in The Naked Samoans.
Now he's written and starred in his own play set in New Zealand and Tokelau. Niki Siulepa catches up with the writer and actor Ia Hito Ahi.
A coming-of-age journey for a teenage Tokelauan boy, this story was once a monologue by actor-writer Ia Hito Ahi during his days at Toi Whakaari Drama School.
Maui, yeah? That better be a spray can I can feel but you on bum cheeks!
Bro, is it clear?
16 years on and the piece has been revived with the help of Ia Hito's family.
I wanted to revisit it and family members gave me some money so that I could write. And so for 2 years I filled out the piece, made it a four-hander, and now I'm here.
The play's told in English and Tokelauan, something that the non-Tokelauan actors had to get used to.
Hito's mum helped me with a lot of the Tokelau language. There's similarities in the cultures, but there's subtle differences. So coming to terms with that and just being able to embrace it and honour the piece and the culture as well.
I always wanted to hear the Tokelauan language. I mean, I don't speak it that well, but I had to give it a go anyway. So it's very, very basic, very simple.
And you may recognise some familiar names lending a helping hand on stage and behind the scenes.
I've always thought Hito was one of our most skilled practitioners when it came to acting. It's awesome working with him on this piece. It's such a personal piece to him too. It's like a monkey's got to get off his back.
He's the best graph writer I know, but that dude's got a focus when we're out there rocking the biz.
Speaking of focus, there have been a few hurdles working with old friends.
It's been challenging working with Champal. He's quite lazy and he's not big in prep.
Oh, Alice, don't go down the hole.
And like he's late for stuff and he makes excuses.
Oh, sorry guys. Oh.
And so that's been frustrating, but thankfully Hito, Semo and Victoria are onto it.
There's a lot of laughs in the piece. It almost can be a comedy, but that's why working with the boys is really good. There's a nice balance, and I hope that people walk away from this with a sense of experiencing something, a bit of the Tokelauan culture from my perspective.
Perspective that will no doubt add more voice to Pacific Theatre.
What a bunch of funny guys. Congratulations to you all.